How to stop Spotify from playing random songs. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Spotify on your phone. Now, let me show you what might be the problem. Sometimes Spotify might play random songs because you have turned on the shuffle button. Let's see on my screen. If the cross arrow button is turned green, you have turned on the shuffle button. So you have to make sure that the shuffle button is turned gray so that Spotify does not play random songs. Next thing that you can do is you want to go back and tap on Home, that is on the bottom left corner. Tap on Settings, that is on the top right corner. Then tap on Playback. Here you need to scroll down and make sure you have turned on the toggle button for autoplay similar content. When you do that, Spotify will stop playing random songs. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.